It is 5:30 a.m. and we just arrived at the international airport and we are walking to our gate. Ooh, that was fun. The place is completely empty. Hey! Just got in trouble for filming. So you got randomly selected, hey? Just stand in the special machine with your arms up.
Totally random.
So we just went through the security check, and before that I got yelled at a little bit for filming. And then as I was walking away I knocked over like a barrier thing, which didn't really help endear me to anyone. But anyway, so yeah, Nick got randomly selected and we went through security, which was hilarious. I guess it just looks like a derelict. And yeah, we're just walking over to get some food. And is there anything else?
Nope, that's it.
That's about it. Yes. They're renovating here. That makes me feel safe. Okay, so there's some like major renovation thing happening at the terminal that we're at. So unfortunately the only thing that is available and open right now is McDonald's. So we just got some like coffee and juice and muffins and hash browns. So I've just got soy, coffee, some juice, hash brown and muffin, some jam and Vegemite. Basically it. It has been years, literally years, since I've had any McDonald's, but particularly this, like a hash brown, and this is ridiculous. It's just like so, I don't know how people can eat this all the time. It's crazy. So salty and oily and
delicious.
There's something like really pleasant really about it, but I imagine that I'll feel pretty horrible afterwards. But hey, when you gotta eat, you gotta eat. Thank you.
A few moments to view the following presentation.
That your hand baggage and tables are safely stowed. Seat backs are in the takeoff position and your seat belt is fastened.
So we just arrived in Hong Kong where we're staying for 2 hours and we're just having some lunch at this little place, and we have some really gross Evian water. I don't know about you guys, but I always feel like Evian tastes like chlorine. Not for me. So we ordered some vegetarian fried rice which is here, and some vegetarian fried noodles, and we've also got some greens coming. Our greens arrived, and it's just like sauteed spinach with sesame, and this whole thing has been really good actually. It's just like an airport meal, like we're just sitting near the gates and stuff, and there is very little here. Like we didn't think that we'd actually be able to find anything vegan, but this was just so easy. So yeah, there's always an option if you look. So just walking to gate 502, and we just passed gate 33? 35. Maybe we should get on the travelator.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we've got a way to go. Just bypassing everyone to get to our gate because we're meant to be there in like 10 minutes, and we're at gate 30. We're in a little bus. Flight number 2. Hey guys, so it is the next day. We got in last night at 11 p.m. local time, which was like 3 a.m. Sydney time, and that was after waking up at 4 a.m. the previous day for our first flight of the morning. So yeah, we basically just crashed as soon as we got here. So tired, but it is awesome here. Really excited to like look around today, and I'll start the next vlog now. So see ya!